Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine a list of emails using Excel. Let's get started. If you want to combine a list of emails, one easy way is using the text join function. The text join function has three required arguments. First is the delimiter, which is what we want to separate each email with. For that, we'll use a semicolon so the emails will be formatted correctly in the recipient line. After a comma, we can choose whether or not to include empty cells. I'll enter true to ignore empty cells. One final comma and then all the text fields we want to combine. We can simply click and drag over all the emails and click enter. Now, to save this list without the formula, you can use Ctrl+C to copy, right-click, and then paste as well. You can then use Ctrl+C to copy this entire email list and paste it into the recipient line for your email. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.